All right, mesdames et messieurs, I'm happy to announce that I have a whole bunch of new presets that came out, which is for the phone, iPhone or Android, and you don't have to be a Creative Cloud member to be able to use them. I have a lot of people following me. They're not Creative Cloud members. They don't have access to my signature presets. Well, if that's your case, listen up. Even if you're a Creative Cloud member, there's a brand new preset that I use mainly on the phone. And so when you purchase these presets, you're gonna get videos on how to install them. Basically, you're getting DNG files and you're gonna go one by one create a preset. It takes a little bit of time, but you can use this completely for free. You never have to pay any subscription to Adobe. Let me show you some of the presets and what they do. This one, for example, I'm gonna go and use, so you go all the way down here, I'm gonna use the vintage preset. So photo search vintage, and I'm gonna use the turquoise or cold vintage. Yeah, turquoise is pretty cool. Okay, again, starting point. So I'm gonna go to exposure and I'm gonna open the shadows to make it, even brighter. I can even boost the overall exposure. I just wanted some kind of like really old vintage look on this one. That's the before. That's the after. You can do more natural stuff. For example, this one, I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go all the way to dusk and use, for example, daping. Check this out. One click and it's pretty cool. Again, it's a starting point. You can go and you can go in exposure, open the shadows even more, do what you want. And if you press one finger, you can see the before and the after. Also, by the way, don't forget to like this video and comment. I read every single comment, and subscribe to this channel if you did not get a chance to subscribe by smashing the subscribe button and the little bell. So let's do another example. This is a portrait that I did in the south of France. It's a self-portrait. I'm going to go to the French Riviera. Take, for example, lemon blue. I'm like, oh no, it's too blue to me. That's fine. Let's go to, for example, dusk. And I'm going to use Sunset Classic or Orange Sunset or Sea or Magenta. Yeah, Magenta I love. Boom. And again, before, after. Let's do one more. This was a golden hour that I shot back in Corsica. So same thing, I go all the way down here and I'm going to use the day pink, for example. Ooh, I love day pink. Look what it does. Before, after. Much more interesting photos. Of course, I can fine tune it by opening up the shadows, giving in more contrast, bring down the highlights. Preset is just a starting point, but these presets were done based on my signature preset, especially for people who are not Creative Cloud member, but also if you are a Creative Cloud member, I use them every day to retouch my own iPhone photos. So get the free version, even better, get the professional version. We have a special lead for you. You'll find the links below this video. I hope you enjoy them.